Hi boys and girls, today is Friday, April 9th, and we are going to be working on math. For math, you need pages 447, 448, 449, and 450. Can you see that? Because the light is kind of shining on it. 450. So, if you want to go ahead and get that. Okay. We are starting a new chapter in math, chapter 6. And so we are going to start adding two-digit numbers. Two-digit number meaning like 22 or 71. So those mean two digits. So today we're just adding tens, adding with tens, okay? So if we had 4 tens and 3 tens, so we're really just thinking about 4 plus 3. If I had 4 groups of 10 and 3 groups of 10, how many groups of 10 would I have? It's 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. I hope you remember when you add, hope you remember your addition. 4 plus 3 is 7 tens. What number really is that with 7 tens? That means 7, each of these is 10, right? So it's 70. So when we're looking at this, 40 is the same as 4 tens, right? So we're adding 40 plus 30. So we just have to think about 4 tens and 3 tens, right? 4 tens and 3 tens would be 70. 7 tens and 70 are the same thing, right? I have 4 groups of 10 here, 3 groups of 10 here, so I have 70 altogether. So let's think about this one. 7 tens. Oh, it's going to be hard for you to see. 7 tens plus 2 tens. 7 tens plus 2 tens. So we're adding 7 plus 2. I hope you remember 9 tens. What is 9 tens? If I had 9 tens, how many do I really have? 90. All right, so here 7 tens is the same as 70, right? So I have 7 tens and 2 tens. So how many do I have? It's like 7 plus 2, 90, because we add the 0. If you're having trouble doing it this way, what you can do is you could take this number and put it under here. Zero plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. And now I have 90, but then I need to write it over here. Okay, but because we're adding with 0, all you have to do is think about 7 and 2 to make 90. Okay, I hope that's making sense. Without me being able to see your faces and stuff, it's hard for me to know if you're getting it. I'm hoping that you're getting it because it's pretty easy. So I'm going to scoot the cart over. I had a desk in the way. And we're going to look at this together, a little bit of it together. Okay, so adding tens. This is your page. If we have here 3 tens and 2 tens, so it's like 3 plus 2. Scooting that back just a little bit. Okay, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 tens. Okay, so now 30 plus 20, right? It's 3 tens plus 2 tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 50. If you're having a hard time, remember I said you could write it under here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then now you have your 50. Okay. So, finding 20 plus 20 by adding tens. So, 20 means 2 tens, and 20 means 2 tens when you're adding 20 and 20. So 2 tens plus 2 tens equals 4 tens, but when we're talking about 2 tens, it really means 20. 2 groups of 10. This group of 10 and this group of 10. 10, 20. Okay, so 20 plus 20 is 40. Okay. You are going to do all of this on your own. Okay, let's look at number 12. I didn't really talk about it this way. I kind of showed you. 3 tens plus 4 tens makes 7 tens. And here we're adding it like I showed you. 30 plus 40. What you could do is draw a line in between to help you. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 4 is 7. 70. 7 tens is the same thing as 70, right? Okay. Let's turn. You can either do that now or you could wait and do it after we do the back. Number 16, there are 50 boys and 20 girls at basketball camp. How many children are at basketball camp in all? So you're adding 50 plus 20. So we know it has 0, but now we're adding 5. So we know it has, we could do it this way and go ahead and put 0 and 5 plus 2. 7. 70. There are 30 children at dance class on Tuesday. 3 groups of 10 other children are at dance class on Wednesday. How many children take dance class in all? So, one group has 30. The other group has 3 groups of 10. So, let's figure out how many that would be. 3 groups of 10. 3 groups of 10, 10, 10. So how many would that be? That would be 30. And then we have to go back and add this 30. So we have to add 30 plus 30. Do you know it? 60. Okay, will there be any ones in the answer when you add 50 plus 40? Are there any ones with 50 plus 40? No, because there's 0 and 0. So we're going to say no, period. Even though that's not really a sentence, we're still going to put a period. It equals, what does it equal? 50 plus 40. 50, so we're thinking about 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and then we have to add the 0. 90. It equals 90. Okay, you're going to go back and do that inside. I hope that all made sense, because it's hard for me to tell when you're not here, because I would walk around and help you if you're having trouble. So, okay. All right, so today's Friday, so that means that over the weekend you should be reading your stories for the week. So I hope you do. I hope you do. Okay. I have a good weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye.